Vidya Wires. Well, this is a small cap wire making company which has a lot of potential. Why is that? Let's find out in this video, and you'll get to know why I think that this stock is actually promising, and it's a small cap stock, so it has a lot of potential left to give huge returns to the investors. So let's dig deeper into this stock. But before we get started, just a reminder that this is not a stock recommendation video. Please do the buying and selling of stocks based on your own risk appetite, not on the advice of anyone else. Right. So with that said, let's get started. Alright, hello everyone and welcome back to another video of financial affairs. So this is Vidya Wires, and when we take a look at the official website, we can see that it has a lot of products in its portfolio. So you can go through this website. I'll share the link. This will be very helpful to you. We will take a look at the basic things about this company. Okay, you can see it was incorporated in the year 1981 with the Vidya Wires Limited is engaged in manufacturing copper and aluminum wires. Now, if we take a look at the key business points, then we can see that most of its revenue are coming from power and transmission field, then electrical 29%, general engineering 10.2, renewables, EV and automotives almost 10, and consumer durables 3. Okay, so these are some of the key things, and you can also see the international presence of this company. It exports to 18 plus countries across 5 continents. Okay, and you can go through all these things, right? So let us go to the basic numbers about this company. So the stock price is just under 90, 89.08 to be exact. Market cap is just under 2000, so it's a small cap stock. Reserves it has is 458.56 and a debt of 85. So the debt to equity ratio is very good. 3 years average sales growth is good. Profit growth is also good. Earning per share is looking negative because it has been recently listed, and after getting listed the earning per share decreases due to the issue of new shares. Okay, now interest P is 19.09, stock P is 32. That means this stock is in demand. Outman Z score is good. So now let's take a look at the profit and loss statement. So here we can see that in the last 3 years there has been very good growth in sales. 1182 to 1481, then 1840. Operating profit 45 to 64, then 86. Operating profit margin 4%, 4%, 5%. Okay, so clearly there is growth in this company. This is what we can get from the info that we have seen right now. Now coming to the shareholding pattern, you see in the last 2 quarters there has been no change in the promoter holding. 72.80 is the stake. Okay, but FIs have increased their stake from 0.68 to 1.1% in March quarter. DIs have also increased their stake 9.53 to 10.46. So clearly the smart money is getting interested in this stock, so definitely it has some potential. Okay, now when we go to the price action, we see that after getting listed it gave a massive jump from here to here of around 100% in just less than 2 months. So as you know, when there is such a large move in a short span of time, definitely a correction is bound to come, and here we are already getting to see that. Okay, it fell sharply from 117 to currently it is somewhere around 89 to 90. Okay, 25% drop. Now what is the significant price level? How can we find out? So there is a simple technique. Let's just use the fixed anchor volume profile. So when we do that, it is showing that this level of around 87 is actually very crucial. So let's draw one line and remove this volume profile. Okay, so this is where it is indicating. Now if we use some other tool like fib retracement, we can see that the 50% retracement is aligning at almost 80. So there is a very high probability that the stock could touch this 80 level, and if it bounces from this level, then definitely that could indicate that the stock is again gaining momentum, and that will be a good entry point. And also if we enable 50 EMA, we can see currently it is resting above 50 EMA, but I doubt that it will breach the 50 EMA and come down little bit, and then later it might find strength. So the best approach for this stock right now is to keep it in your watch list and track the price movement. Okay, that is all I can say. That this stock has a very good potential. You already saw how nicely it is growing in profit and loss statement. The shareholding pattern is looking strong. Price action has already shown that it is very strong in momentum, but currently it is losing momentum and it is correcting. So that is the best opportunity for an investor to wait and acquire the stock when it starts going up again. Okay, so if you really found this video helpful, please hit the like button, share it with other people, subscribe to Financial Impulse, and if you are already a subscriber and finding my videos valuable, consider joining the Financial Impulse community, where you'll get more stock analysis posts, and also you'll be able to chat with me directly one to one on Discord, and you can ask your queries. Thank you for watching. Bye, take care.